What are the advantages of fully managed VPS hosting? VPS hosting is a feature-packed web hosting platform that offers high performance at affordable prices. Fully managed VPS hosting is a slightly higher costing option that offers even more features and performance. Here are some advantages of fully managed VPS hosting that make it a better hosting solution for your site. Proactive monitoring. Fully managed VPS hosting is actively monitored by a team of experts to ensure a seamless performance. Proactive monitoring helps catch potential vulnerabilities before they can blow up into serious performance and security issues. Better reliability. A server's reliability depends upon its configuration's efficiency and the level of its maintenance. A fully managed VPS server is configured to deliver maximum stability, which enhances reliability. Enhanced security. Security is a crucial aspect of hosting that cannot be compromised due to lack of expertise. In managed VPS hosting, security is configured to offer comprehensive, high-level protection. Automated backups. Frequent and regular backups is the last line of defense against complete data loss in case of a breach. Managed VPS hosting offers automated backups that ensure minimum data loss. Round-the-clock support. Most new site owners depend on technical support to resolve issues and anomalies in their websites. Managed VPS bundles round-the-clock support that springs into action as soon as an issue is detected. HostGator offers sensibly priced, fully managed VPS hosting service that offers best-in-class app support and expert technical solutions. Give your website a powerful and feature-packed hosting solution that offers 24/7 advanced support.